Different sounds of ed. What is common among these words? In all the words here, you would find ed at the end of a word. However, they sound differently. Now, if you see in these words, before ed, there is either t or d. In such words, both e and d make their sounds as ed. That is why you read it as wanted, treated, landed, and needed. However, in these words, before ed, you don't find t or d. In such words, e makes no sound. You just give the sound of d as d. That is why you read it as lived, lived, looked, looked, jumped, jumped, walked, walked.